If you're craving delicious wontons, there's no need to go out and buy them. Today, I'll show you how to make aromatic wontons at home. With thin wrappers, juicy filling, and rich broth, they're just as good as restaurant quality. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 10 grams of ginger and 1 stalk of green onion. Place them in a bowl with a star anise and pour hot water over them. Let it soak for 20 minutes to release the flavors. Choose pork with a 30% fat to 70% lean ratio for the perfect balance. Remove the skin for better texture, then cut the meat into small pieces and finally mince it with a knife. Place the minced pork in a large bowl and season with salt, chicken bouillon, a pinch of sugar, white pepper, 5 spice powder, soy sauce, and a little cooking oil. Add some rice flour and pour the infused ginger onion water in 2 batches. Stirring in one direction until the mixture becomes sticky. This technique makes the filling elastic and flavorful. Add a drizzle of sesame oil and chopped green onions, and set it aside. Step 2. Make the black onion oil. Chop half an onion, a few slices of ginger, garlic, and a stalk of green onion. Heat oil in a pan and stir-fry these ingredients until fragrant. Be careful not to overcook them to avoid bitterness. Add a small amount of dried shrimp, stir briefly, and strain the mixture into a bowl. This fragrant black onion oil is the secret. Step 3. Assemble the wontons. Take a wonton wrapper, add a small amount of filling, and fold it however you like. Keep it simple or get creative. Make little pouches or other shapes. Step 4. Cook the wontons. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Gently add the wontons and stir to prevent them from sticking together. Cover and cook until they float. Step 5. Make the broth. In a bowl, combine chopped green onions, dried seaweed, a pinch of salt, chicken bouillon, white pepper, soy sauce, dried shrimp, and a spoonful of black onion oil. Pour hot water over everything. If you have homemade broth, even better. Add the cooked wontons to the broth, garnish with cilantro, and finish with a few drops of sesame oil. And that's it! Your aromatic wontons are ready. With thin wrappers, a flavorful filling, and rich broth, they're absolutely irresistible. Try this recipe and bon appetit!